When you look at your family photograph, do you see similar features among your family members? Now, observe the different features of the family members in this picture. Features such as height, complexion, shape of earlobes, nose, lips or chin are called characteristics or traits. Are these characteristics similar or different among the members of this family? You can see that they may or may not be similar. Usually, these characteristics are transmitted or inherited from one generation to the next. The transmission of characteristics from parents to their offspring is called heredity. Although many characteristics get transmitted to the offspring, but even then they do not look exactly the same as their parents. See how their earlobes are different. You can see that mother's earlobe is attached while the daughter's earlobe is free. These differences are known as variations. You have seen that characteristics are transmitted from one generation to the next. But how does this transmission take place? Transmission of characteristics occurs by the gametes at the time of sexual reproduction. During reproduction, male and female produce sex cells or gametes. The male gamete is called the sperm, and the female gamete is called the ovum. The nucleus of these gametes contains genetic material called chromosome. A chromosome is a thread-like, X-shaped structure and is made up of deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. DNA is the information source for making proteins in the cell. The section of DNA that carries the information for one protein is known as the gene for that protein. The gene lies in the chromosome, and that is why the chromosome is known as the hereditary unit. When fusion of the gametes occur, both the paternal and the maternal genetic material transfer to the zygote. The zygote with these genetic materials gradually develops into a young one. This is the reason that offspring show similarities to their parents. You can see the girl here has a fair complexion, like her father, and curly hair and pointed nose, like her mother.